first boat ride today.
Getting goldfish. What we've got in the bag? What's in the bag? Goldfish!
In this video, we're showing you a raw look into our first trip out to sea with the Sailing Club. We have one crew member joining us, making 6 humans and 1 brand new pup on board today.
We're sailing out to the ICW. Well, not sailing, but motoring. And this guy is coming in under sail.
Little River is located near the border between South and North Carolina. For us, it takes about an hour to go from our marina in Little River to the open ocean.
A fun fact about Little River is that it once served as a refuge for shipwrecked sailors and pirates alike, offering shelter and a place to make much-needed repairs. The early settlers had little choice but to provide food and supplies to the pirates, often under the threat of weapons. One of those legends was none other than Captain Blackbeard himself. Today, treasure maps still show up printed on restaurant placemats, fueling the mystery to buried pirate gold.
9 feet of water.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm getting him.
Is that John? Huh? Is that John? Yeah. Looking good, guys! We're almost there. It's only taken 6 hours. 6 hours to get out on the boat. We're coming out of Little River's Inlet. We got a boat way out there with black sails. Probably can't hear shit because of the wind. Charlie, what are you doing? What? Black sails is interesting. They're hauling ass. They are going with the tide though. our boat might be slow. I don't know what he said. I don't know what he said. What did he say?
He said, Paw Patrol, whenever you're in trouble, Paw Patrol, get there on the double, Paw Patrol. By Paw Patrol.
Well, we want to be. Paw Patrol.
He's gaining.
Which side is he going?
Directly behind.
I can't go any faster. We're giving her all she's got, Captain.
Oh yeah, he's fast. He's making wakes. He's like,
We are slow. We are a slow boat, you best. Probably wants to...
yeah, he's going to your that side.
Is he still going to that side?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, they have a shamoobie.
What?
Shamoobie.
A shamoobie?
A shamoobie.
Look how many boats are out there. Holy moly.
Hello.
How fast are we going?
4-2. 4-2. 3-9. 4-0. 3-9. 4-0. 4-1. 3-9. It's like a good winner. 4-1. What do you think will be our highest today?
I don't know. Check.
What do you think will be our highest today? I'm losing my voice again.
It's supposed to kick up around 2,
So what do you think we'll get to?
I don't really know.
5-2? I want to make a bet.
I'm gonna go with 4-7.
4-7. I'm gonna go 5-2. What are you getting? What is your guess of how fast we can go today? Right now we're at 3-6.
Someone take this, please.
4.
4.
I need to do it up there.
All right, I need you to take over, Kat.
Okay.
Someone spray me, please.
Are you warm?
I'm hot.
Ooh.
Lemon, what you doing?
There's water. You don't go in there though. Don't let your Labrador Retriever come out. It's time for poodle.
Oh,
today.
4-5, 4-6, 4-7, 4-9, 4-8.
What did I say?
You guys all lost. We all lost.
No, I said 5.
Oh, you said...
I said 5-2. I said 5-2 or 5-7.
Well, you're gonna win because I busted already.
How fast are we going?
3-9. I was distracted by trying to put together the camera, so...
Look for dolphins. Do you see any dolphins or fishies? Fishies that have any skin, any jelly. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a little baby doll. Hi, baby dolphin. Do you want to meet my puppy? Oh, it's little.
There's a few of them.
Turn around, Brian.
Yeah, let me just
Reef! What is it?
pull in the jib. Hoist lower the main. You too.
Oh, there they are. Oh, they're so cute. Oh. 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 Come this way, guys. Come play with our boat.
Where'd they go?
I think they're heading that way. I was cracking up. Like, we'll get into these situations like this where we're fixated on a couple dolphins, and then I look over and there's like 20 right next to us that we're not looking at.
Read a couple of times, I'm like, I could touch one of these.
Oh my god, they came up like they were so cute, right? Hey, honey, give her a treat. I know, but she likes treats better than food. It's like having a sandwich or candy.
We're in that
High five. We hit high five.
5'5"?
Yeah, we five.
5'5"?
High five.
5'5".
Oh, we hit 5'6". 5'7". We hit 5'7". Steady 5'5" right now. Oh, 5'6", 5'7". Oh, 5'8". Dang it. 5'9". Oh. Okay. None of us won. Dang it. I wish I was so good.
We all busted. So humble of you.
I know. I wish I wasn't so awesome at sailing.
I wish we weren't so good at being so fast.
So bad.
$6. I can run fast.
I can't never running again.
I really should fix our main sheet. That's probably embarrassing. Tony's probably laughing at me right now.
Hey, we're still going faster than him.
That's
Hear
right,
that,
Tony.
Tony?
We are going
We're
faster
putting it
than
on
you.
our YouTube channel. We're gonna tag you.
He's probably like, yeah, I was trying not to go so much faster.
Alright,
Alright, we're gonna go forward.
back to that boat.
It's really pretty up here.
You're really pretty up there.
Oh, thank you. What?
Limits quick.
Alright, we're out with the sailing school. Our first sail. There's 5 boats. We got Liz and Tabby. I think we're turning around.
What do you want me to do?
Freak out.
Okay, I'm really good at that.
Man overboard.
Okay. Why don't you drive?
Yeah. That's fine.
Okay, do it.
All right. Yeah, we're gonna come about. Will you you gotta move. You can't Facebook right there. This is where the driver sits.
I'm trying to show some photos.
Okay. I'll sit here for a minute.
And actually, Guy said you should sit there. So.
Well, the guy said you should sit on the low side.
The guy.
The guy. Oh, that's cute.
We went to Churchill Downs last night? No, night before last.
All right. Liz is gonna be on the jib sheet. We pass over the handle to me. So cool.
What are we doing right now? We're driving.
So Liz is gonna get prepared to let that out when we start coming around. So you're gonna start. I put this on too soon. All right, are you ready, love? Are we ready to tack?
Hard left.
Yeah, well, yep, go ahead. Let's do it, tacking. All right, go ahead and let that out. Woo! Nicely done, team.
Oh! Well, I lost the wind. Hold on.
Yes. Oh, yeah, we went too far.
I went too far. I went too far. I went too far. I lost the wind. Alright, I'm gonna get it. I think. There it is.
Okay, straighten out.
This was one of those days on the water that make all the hustle and hard work of boat life feel more than worth it. Heading back in with a sunset like this just doesn't seem to get old. Sorry for the wind noise on this one. We're working on getting better mic setup for our GoPro. If you'd like to help with the audio and support making these videos better, we've left a link in the description with our Amazon wishlist with a mic and connector pod. If you've enjoyed this and others, subscribing is a great way to help us out and keep making our videos better. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.